Happy day, students. Today I am going to deal with English grammar, direct and indirect speech, part 2. Already we have seen the tense changes, students. Now we shall see the time and adverbial change for all kinds of sentences. Okay, direct speech. Now comes means it will become then in indirect speech. This will become that. Here will become there. These will become those. Thus will become so. Today or tonight will become that day or that night. Tomorrow will become the next day. Yesterday, the day before. Last day will become the previous day. Last week, week, month, year. Okay, the previous week, the previous month, the previous year. Next year, next day, month. It will become the following year, the following day, the following month. Day after tomorrow will become the day after the next day. Can will become could, should or must will become had to. May will become might, shall will also become would. It will not become should. It is condition. Dear students, now we shall see changing direct to indirect speech. Okay, first assertive sentence, that is declarative sentence or ordinary statement. The main conjunction is that only here. Okay, first point you see, said to should be changed into told. Second point, after removing the quotation mark, add conjunction word that. Thirdly, look at the noun and see whom does the noun refer to and change it into pronoun. Okay. Fourthly, change the present tense into past tense, and if it is given in past tense, change it into past perfect tense. Fifthly, change the word which denotes the timings like now, last week, today, etc. as per the table. Okay. Example we shall see, then you will understand. Anil said to Sunil, I am going to market now. Step 1 you see, said to will become told. Step 2 you see, remove the quotation and add the conjunction that. Step 3, I referred to Anil, so it will become he. Step 4, am, it is in present tense, so it will become was in the past tense. Step 5, now will become then. So what will be the answer? Anil told Sunil that he was going to market then. Okay, so I have given the step 1, step 2 you see. Step 1 is changing said to told. Then step 2 is that, and step 3 pronoun, okay, he. Then step 4 is changing the verb was. Then last step is then. Now is becoming then. You should know tense will not be changed in the following places. First you see universal truth. The teacher said the sun rises in the east. The teacher said that the sun rises in the east. See, rises means same verb is used. Okay. Proverb. Proverb, you know the sayings. My friend said to me, honesty is the best policy. So, how will you change? My friend told me that honesty is the best policy. Third one, seasonal you see. He said, it rains heavily during rainy seasons. He said that it rains heavily during rainy seasons. This is common, so it is used as such. And fourthly, you see scientific truth. The teacher said, ice floats in the water. The teacher said that ice floats in the water. Next, we'll move on to interrogative sentence. Okay, that is WH form and or yes or no form. Okay, there are two forms we have seen. So, first point you see, said to should be changed to asked. Secondly, to remove quotation in A you see WH question form, why, who, what, where, whose, whom, when, how. So, only W stands for this. Why, who, what, where, whose, whom, when. H we have only one form, that is how. So write the same WH word as it is. Okay. The second form you see, yes or no question form means, do, does, did, have, has, are, is, was, were, can, will, shall, may. So thirdly, you see, third point, cancel the be verb and write it after the subject. For example, where you are going. Okay, where are you going will become like this. Then you see fourth point, change the present tense into past tense. And if it is given in past tense, change it into past perfect tense. Fifth point, you see, change the word which denotes the timings like now, last week, today, etc. as I have shown in the table. So examples we will see. Let's see the examples for better understanding. Okay, WH question form. No conjunction, dear students. You must note down no conjunction, only the question word. Okay, WH. Naveen said to his friend, why are you late today? Step 1 you see. Said to will become asked. Step 2 you see, remove the quotation and write why. Step 3, cancel the verb and write it after the subject. You are, why you are. Step 4, you refer to his friend, no? So it is he. Step 5, are present tense, so it will become were or was past tense. Okay. Step 6, today will become that day. So see the difference. See the how it is changed. Naveen asked his friend why he was late that day. Okay. So step 1 you see asked. Step 2 no change, no, same question word why. And step 4 you see he. And step 5 verb is changed was, and today will become last that day in the last step 6. Next we shall see the next example. You see, Vidya said to Devi, where did you keep my book? See step 1. Said to will become asked. Step 2, you have to remove the quotation marks and you have to write the connecting word where only, question word only. Step 3, cancel did and write after the subject you. Did plus keep will become kept. So you should cancel do, does also like this. So do plus keep becomes keep, or does plus keep becomes keeps. Okay. So step 4, you refers to Devi. So it will become she. Step 5, kept past tense. Because past tense is there, you have to use had plus verb 3, that is past perfect. Had kept. Step 6, my refers to Vidya, that is it becomes her. Okay, did plus keep becomes kept. So Vidya asked Devi where she had kept her book. So hope you have understood this one. Next we shall move ahead to yes or no question form. Okay, David said to his father, can you buy me a computer? See, here conjunction is if only. Okay. Step 1, said to will become asked. Step 2, you have to remove the quotation and add the conjunction word if. Okay. Step 3, you see, cancel the word can and write it after you. So you can. Okay. Step 4, you refers to his father, so it will become he. Step 5, you see, can is present tense, it will become could in the past tense. Step 6, me referred to David, so it will become him in the object place. So David asked his father if he could buy him a computer. Hope you have understood up to this question sentences. Next we are moving on to the third type of sentence, that is imperative sentence. Reporting verb changes as per the relationship. See, relationship, suppose it is friend to friend means said to will become in indirect speech, it becomes asked. Then student to teacher means also indirect speech asked. Teacher to students advised or asked. Passer-by to traveler means directed. Doctor to patient means advised or suggested. Patient to doctor means asked. Servant to master requested. Master to servant ordered. Police to thief means enquired. Captain to soldier means commanded. Mother to son or daughter means either warned or advised. Now we shall see positive sentences, how they are getting changed. Teacher said to the students, finish the work and submit it tomorrow. So step 1 you see, said to will become informed. Step 2, you have to remove the quotation marks and add conjunction word to. So if it is imperative means you will add the conjunction to. Step 2, tomorrow will become the next day. Okay, so you should note down this important point. In imperative sentence, the verb followed by to is called infinitive. To submit infinitives. Okay, so teacher informed the students to finish the work and submit it the next day. So step 1 you see informed. Step 2 we have added to plus verb, that is infinitive, and last one you see step 3 the next day. Tomorrow becomes the next day. Next we shall see negative sentences. Mother said to her daughter, don't tear the papers from the book. Step 1, said to will become advised. The mother is advising. Okay. Step 2, remove the quotation marks and add conjunction word not to. If there is don't means you have to use not to when you have the word don't. Okay. Mother advised her daughter not to tear the papers from the book. Next, moving on to request. So here also conjunction to only. Arnav said to Anish, please give me your pen. Please is coming, no, so you have to use requested. Step 1, said to will become requested as the word please is there in the sentence. Step 2, you have to remove the quotation marks and add the conjunction word to. Step 3, me refers to Arnav, so it is him. And step 4, you refer to Arnav, his. So Arnav requested Anish to give him his pen. So we see here step 1 requested because it is please, and step 2 you know conjunction to is given plus infinitive, and step 3 him, and step 4 his pen. So the final answer is Arnav requested Anish to give him his pen. Hope you have understood up to this, students. So with this I will wind up the class and we shall continue in the next class. Thank you.